Happy Sunday, people! Once again, this is Steph. Welcome back to my channel. So right now, I'm gonna cook my favorite pasta, which is my simplest version of doing carbonara. So these are all the ingredients, guys. This is the pasta, I already boiled it, the ham, the garlic, the onions rather, mushroom, garlic, and the Nor cubes. I also have here the cream and the evap. So, ito, actually, gagawin ko to kasi when I was still at work, my doctor texted me na, "Mommy, I am sick." So, mag-worried ako, guys. You know na, yung bang feeling na hindi mo alam kung naano na siya, kung okay lang ba siya. So, right now, I'm cooking this for her because this is also one of her favorite pasta. So, napainit ko na, guys, yung kaha. I already preheat it, so there is already oil. So, I'm gonna add the onion. This is actually the basic step. Like, mag-iisa tayo ng bawang at saka sibuyas. Ito kasi yung nagpapadala ng uso ng lasa. So, we're gonna have it golden brown. So, once it's golden brown, malapit na siya ng golden brown. Add the garlic, the sibuyas. Malimot jud ko ani ay. Sorry. There. Already added. Tapos, magano na ako ng ham. Yan. Gusto ko kasi yung ham, maluto-luto siya. Ham yung ginamit ko kasi. Wala pang budget. Pero you can actually either use bacon. But for me, I am using this ham. After the ham, mga 1 minute lang siguro, I'm gonna add the evap. There. This is the evap. Gagawa na ako ng cream or sauce sa aking carbonara. Then after, ito na yung mushroom. Yan. Maghintay lang tayo ng mga ilang minuto guro. Hihintayin lang natin yung maano siya. Mabukal na siya ba? Bukal na siya. Bukal na kay siya. So, I'm gonna add the cream. There. So, after I added the cream, I'm gonna add a little pepper para dagdag pang lasa din to. Yan. And then after, a little salt. There. After, add ko yung Nor cubes. Hintayin lang natin na maano siya ma-melt. And then, i-add na natin yung yung pasta natin. So, yan na. I-add ko na yung pasta ko. There. Here it is. Luto na ang aking carbonara. So, ngayon, tulog pa yung anak ko. So, isa na ko siya pukawon. Like, she needs some rest. And, Karon, ako sir mukaon. Alright, so I'm gonna taste my carbonara. Grabe. May din siya. So guys, I'm gonna close this vlog. That's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed my video, and hopefully I can see you soon to my next video. Bye!